Alright, we've been asked to do a review on landscape path lights by Gardenreet. These are antique bronze. They are 12-volt, low-voltage pathway lights that are hardwired. I will tell you before I go any farther, you will have to buy a transformer for this, and that should be pretty easy installation. So we're going to have him open up the box and show you what's inside. And we've got a 6-pack.
There's the shield.
So this is the shield. You see how it's quite heavy, actually. Look at that. And it's meant so that it will not get rust on it at all. That's the pole in which it stands up into.
You got a light bulb that goes in here, like so. Then you put the shield on. It's watertight. Got a little rubber seal on the bottom of it.
Oh, nice. So no water's going to get in it.
Then you got this wire here. This wire here goes through here and out these holes. Whichever way you want to go. Whether you want to go that way or you want to go that way, doesn't matter. You stick this in the ground. You screw that right on there.
Awesome.
I can show you how to do that. Because I got to unwrap it. I do it. She's got a little bend to it, so it goes right through the hole real easy. You gotta get away from all the bends from what was wrapped up in shipping. Once you get through that, this goes in here like this. Get it started. There we go. Not started yet.
So there it is, screwed in all the way. Now you want to make sure that you put that together after you install it, because this bottom part
goes into the ground.
It goes into the ground, so you're going to literally tap that down into the ground so that it's buried. So you won't want to put it together until afterwards, but look how tall that ends up being.
It's about 3 foot. Well, 2 foot actually. About 2 foot.
So we're going to get that all installed, and we're going to show you what it's all like once it gets lit up. So we've got them all set up. Now we're just waiting for it to turn dark so you can see them all lit up. There we go. We'll be back at dark. Alright, so these do show a lot of light out. It is IP65 waterproof. It's got a silicone O-ring. The G4 LED bulbs, 12 volt low voltage. You can replace it with LED or halogen bulbs, but it can only be maximum of 50 watts. This one also comes with, so you can stretch it way out, it comes with 72 feet of 18 gauge copper wire with connectors. Remember, you do have to buy a transformer, which is not included. So let's give you a look. Look down on the snow how much it radiates. It's not quite dark here yet, but that really truly puts a lot of light out. Now this one's in a little bit darker spot, and look at all that bright light that it puts out. These are really, really nice lights, guys. And you can put them anywhere. Very, very sturdy. Very strong.
They'll hold up their windstorm.
So, yeah, it's great to have.
You can find it in your backyard someplace.
Yeah.